spreadsheet is open, to create a new blank spreadsheet, from the File menu, select New. Then click Spreadsheet. Alternatively, you may use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+N. The first blank sheet is displayed. Every academic institution needs to keep a record of the marks scored by students. Maintaining such records manually is surely a voluminous and time-consuming task. We will use OpenOffice.org calc to create a spreadsheet which contains the exam records of a group of students. We will learn to use formulas for routine calculations such as totals, averages, etc. Additionally, we will use charts to show variations in the marks of different students. In the new spreadsheet, you can see that the first cell in the topmost row is active. In the name box, you can see the cell address. This is denoted by the column number followed by the row number. To enter data in a cell, you must first move to the cell. The simplest way is to click the cell that you want to activate. You can use the arrow key to move left, right, up or down. As you move from one cell to another, you can see that the reference or address of the active cell appears in the name box. Now we are ready to start entering data. In cell A1, type the name of the school. Then enter the text in cells A3, A4 and A6 as shown. As you move between cells, you can see that the formula bar displays the contents of the active cell. Now type the headings in row 8. The tab key can be used to move to the next cell in the same row. The heading given to a column of data is sometimes called a label. Here, roll number, name, etc. are the labels. In row 9, type the roll number of the first student and press Tab to go to the next cell. Type the student's name. You can see that the name overflows into the next cell. Pressing Tab takes you to the next cell, but the data of the previous cell is still displayed. Enter the marks for the first subject, but now the name is only partially displayed. This is indicated by a small red triangle. We will set this right shortly. For now, enter the marks for the student and data for other students as shown. Since the data in the name column is not displayed fully, you need to increase the column width. For this, place your pointer on the boundary to the right of the heading of column B. Double-click on the boundary when the pointers appear as a two-headed arrow. The width of the column will be automatically adjusted to the maximum length of characters in the column. You can also change the height of a row or the width of a column by dragging the boundaries between the headings. To specify a specific value for the row height, from the Format menu, select Row and then click Height. Enter the required value in the displayed window and click OK. The height of the row is changed as specified. A specific value for the column width can also be specified using the Format menu. In this interactive session, we will create a new blank spreadsheet. In this interactive session, we will increase row height.